Hey guys, it's Kimberly Margarita. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be talking all about ring lights and why I think they are a great option for shooting photos and videos. So let's just get right into it. So first of all, what is a ring light? A ring light is a circular light that fits around a camera lens and it provides even illumination for the subject that you are shooting. There are very few shadows when you are using a ring light because the origin of the light is very close to the camera lens, and this makes it an ideal light source for shooting photo and video. So ring lights provide diffused lighting, making it very flattering for filming makeup tutorials, which is what I do. So they're a great option if you want professional looking lighting, but at a good cost. They are also great at picking up details in photos. When I use a ring light for shooting photos of my makeup looks, I find all the details stand out really nicely. I love the vibrancy that I get in my photos and videos when I use my ring light, and depending on what color temperature, you can adjust it to kind of mimic natural daylight, so the light will look as natural as possible and everything will be true to color. So when choosing a ring light for yourself, there are a few things that you want to consider beforehand. So the first thing you'd want to consider would be the intensity of the light. The higher the lumens, the stronger the light, and the more accurate the color accuracy will be, which is very important if you are going to be doing a lot of things that involve color like I do with my makeup photos and videos. The next thing you want to consider is whether you want a ring light with a dimmer. I really like having a dimmer on my ring light because it allows me more control over the light source. Another thing that's important to consider is the temperature of the light, whether you want it to be a bit more warm or a bit more cool. Some ring lights do have color temperature dimmers, and other ring lights come with snap filters that you can put on top of the ring light to make it appear warmer. It's also important to consider what type of attachment you will need for your camera or recording device to put on your ring light. The Logitech Stream Cam is awesome because it makes it super easy to attach on and off my ring light whenever I need to film. When I'm shooting with my ring light, I keep it approximately about 2 feet in front of me because I like my videos to be very bright, clear, and crisp, but the distance that you want to put your ring light kind of depends on the look that you are going for, so you can just kind of play around with it a little bit until you get the desired look. And most ring lights do come with stands, so it makes it very easy to get exactly where you want it by adjusting it to the right height. Sometimes when I am shooting, I will add another ring light into the mix, either one beside me to bring more light in from the side or behind me to separate myself from the background and add some depth. So overall, ring lights are a great, easy option for studio lighting, super user-friendly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you in picking out a ring light that works for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!